Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. Got a few things to talk about. I have these on, I'll tell you about them in a minute. I'm going to put this on while I'm talking to you. I want to announce two winners in this video. I have my Mask Monday winner from last week. And that Mask Monday last week was with Crusty Kristen. What'd y'all think of her? Oh, this smells good. And she's a sweetheart, isn't she? She is, she's a sweetheart, but she's not a pushover. So just know that about her. So she knows a lot about makeup and she's just a good girl. And I had a lot of fun doing a Mask Monday with her. This mask is really saturated and nice. And I'll tell you about the masks in a few moments. Let me get them on. Let me get it on. And it was just, I really enjoy doing Mask Mondays with other channels. It's just fun. And I hope that you at home are doing something to take care of yourself, either today or one day this week or every day, you know, whenever you can, And if you can mask, your skin will be happier. It's a wonderful way, if you can. Now, some people have told me that they are allergic and they have not found any masks that they really could use. So, you know, hopefully they're doing something else so to take care of their skin. So the Tony Moly masks usually fit very, very nicely. When you're talking, it's hard for this piece to stay in place. So we'll just do the best we can with that. And so I also have the winner from my Excellent Spring Dollar Tree Train collab. And so you can be watching for those winners here in the coming week or so. Now, there are a couple channels in our collab that do like their, do their giveaway winners just once a month or so. So, pay attention to that. Whatever they might have said in their video, you can look for that. If they told you when they were, probably post a winner. Well, I'm not having my usual success with this mask. So the winner of the Mask Monday from last week is Mary Mullins. And Mary Mullins commented on my video. She commented on Kristen's video. She subscribed to Kristen and she subscribed to me publicly. So she is the winner. I believe Mary recently won from me, but she won again. I mean, I don't put a stipulation on if you won. If you won yesterday, you can win today on my channel. So I don't have any stipulations on that. When I'm in collabs, most of the time in collabs, you can only win one out of the, how many channels are in there. That's just normal, to give chances to the other people. So. But if I have more than one giveaway going on, which I often do, and you win both of them, you win both of them. So congratulations to Mary. And yeah, I'm not having success with this like I usually do. I don't know why. All right, let me tell you about the masks real quick. I'm going to mention a lot of channels in this video, so I'll have them all below. If I could just lean back and rest, this would be fine. But since I'm talking, it's not going to be fine. So we'll just do the best we can. All right, so I always need extra moisture on my eyes every day. I do mask a lot, and I mask a lot more frequently with my under my eyes than I do my whole face. And this, I was, it's not easy to organize. I'm not a good organizer, but I tried to organize a little bit. And I found this. I don't know how long I've had it. It is Tony Moly, good old Tony Moly masks. Their masks are just really nice. This is Moisture Boost Cooling Hydrogel Eye Patches. And I do have the Little Whale with the eye cream. It's more of a gel, an eye gel. I have it at my bedside. It's wonderful for cooling. And I just like it a lot. It's nice. Especially if you've been crying or if you're overheated, it's nice and cooling. Yeah, I'm not having a lot of success. I don't know what I've done here. So, but I really like this, and I really love this mask. It's not the mask's fault. I've done it many times and never had any trouble with it. It's me. This is also Tony Moly. It's the I'm Avocado Mask Sheet, and it's for nutrition, which I really need. And I received this mask from Erlene S. And Erlene S has a channel. I've recently done a Mask Monday collab with her as well. So that is that. I do have a little bit of friend mail. Yeah, I just don't know what I'm doing, what I've done wrong here, y'all. I have a little bit of friend mail because I just recently showed something that Erlene sent to me, and I didn't realize until I went to put things up that there was a card in the package. It says Mary, and it says Happy Mail on the back. So, oh, it's beautiful. It's an Easter card. Whoops, there's something in there. It's an Easter card. It says, an Easter prayer for you. May all his blessings and all his love shine down on you from up above. Happy Easter, love, Erlene. P.S. I hope the fur babies are doing well. And, oh, there's a private note in here. She's thanking me. Erlene is very sweet, and she's very good at thank yous. She's thanking me. So she says that she hopes that I enjoy the palette. She sent me a palette, and I believe that video went up yesterday, y'all. And I just didn't realize there was a card in the package. So, oh, thank you, Erlene. Thank you so much. And inside there is this card. It's beautiful. It says, for we live by faith, not by sight. Very pretty card. I'm going to put that on my refrigerator. Thank you, Erlene. That's a beautiful card for Easter. I love that. An Easter prayer for you. And I also received a card in the mail this week. Look how pretty that is. Yellow roses, beautiful. This is from Unboxings with Wendy Jean. And Wendy needs all, you know, she needs some positive energy, y'all. Just a lot going on in her life. And this says, sending a note. How cute is that? Woo! Sending you a note. So, Erlene, yes, Erlene has a channel. Krusty Kristen has a channel. Wendy Jean has a channel. I'll put them all below. And just, you know, like I say for everybody, you know, even people that are having a great day, we all need prayer. So if you're a praying person, keep us all in your prayers. And I do too. I keep you in my prayers as well. It's this card from Wendy is really cute, and it says, Dear Mary, thank you for all the giveaway goodies. I love everything. Wendy recently won a giveaway from me. And she also hit 1,000. I sent her a little gift for that. And she's saying, she's thanking me for that. It was a beautiful jewelry case that I got from Fab Fit Fun in a mystery bundle. Really pretty. It's the kind that you hang, you know, on the back of the bathroom door, and it holds all your toiletries. She says it'll come in handy with trips. She says she's glad she found my channel. I'm so glad I found your channel too, Wendy Jean. And I call you a friend. Yes, definitely. I call you my friend as well. Blessings, Wendy Jean. Blessings to you, Wendy Jean. Thank you so much. And okay, now let me tell you about the winner from the Excellent Spring Dollar Tree Train, which is organized by Miss Jackie Russell. And the other channels in the collab, besides me and Miss Jackie Russell, is Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More, Faye Blatcher, Katie's Corner of the World, Sherry from Single Mom Review, Reviews with Sue, Favorites with Laura, Lori's Life, Laura Wooten. Now, Laura Wooten has 2 channels. I'll put them both below. All Things Arlene, Hey Everybody, and Pat from Blessed GMP. Hey Everybody is Erin. And the winner of that collab, it was a lot of fun, y'all. I know that that's a lot of channels, and some of you all said that you couldn't do it. I understand. We all like to do giveaways and have a good time. And some people love those big collabs and some people don't. So whatever works for you. You know, I have other giveaways going on. A lot of the channels do. So, you know, just if you can't do a big collab like that, I hope that you'll watch my other videos. And you know what I always forget to say to y'all? I do always forget. Please like this video. You know, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I know that some of you are very quiet. And you might send me a message here and there privately. And I do appreciate it. I do understand it. I don't know. As you can tell, I am not shy. I am not shy. I was shy as a kid, but I am not shy. And I do understand being shy because I was shy as a kid. I promise you I was. I know you probably don't believe me, but I was. I was terribly shy as a child. And even with my own family, not my immediate family, but we go for Christmas to my dad's side of the family. And my sister and I'd sit on one knee, my sister sit on the other knee, and we were just like this, scared to death of everybody. And then by the end of the evening, we didn't want to go home because we wanted to play with our cousins. But we didn't see them very often, so I guess that's why. But I don't know when it happened to me that I stopped being shy, but I'm not. I will talk to anybody, anywhere I go, I talk to people. I really do. And I love people. I just love to talk. So I understand if you're shy. But if you want to just say, hey, or just put an emoji or something so that I can see your name, your channel name, because I'd love it if you'd enter giveaways. I would love it if you would, because if you're watching me, I like to give back, and I'd love for you to win something if that were to happen. Okay. So anyway, just saying. So please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I know some people watch and never subscribe. I'm not sure about that either. Don't you want to win something? Subscribe and let me know you're here so you can win something. So anyway, but if you don't, okay, I understand also. So my winner for the Dollar Tree Train Excellent Spring is Miss Sally from Peach Rose. I mean, Miss Sally, her name is Peach Rose, but it's Sally. It's Sally. So, but her handle, I don't know. Handle, name, whatever. I don't, you know, a lot of you that have come over from Hey Everybody, especially, you probably don't watch, well, you probably don't watch a lot of channels like my channel or the giveaway channels. So if you're sticking around and you want to stay here, that would be wonderful. But y'all, a lot of times your handle, I think if it's the @ sign and then it says something, it's your handle. It'll say @user 852ABC. Like, what? So, but if you click on that, on your icon, there's a circle. Whether you have an alphabet letter or a picture or your face in there, if I click on that, then it might say like Mary Grace or something like that. And your name, it depends what you put in there. So just letting you know that you can change you can change your handle. It's not difficult to do, but a lot of you all don't really care to do that. So, so as a creator though, I see two different things. If you look at me, my handle is the same as my name of my channel because I changed it. So Mary Catherine Loves Cats, you'll see @Mary Catherine Loves Cats. So, and then go see me on Instagram too if you'd like. I'm over there and I post different things, pictures of what I get in boxes. If you want to see them more up close, you know, you can take a picture and make it bigger if you want to look at the label or something. Anyway, this is way longer than I expected, y'all. So please congratulate my winners and thank you all for coming by. And I hope if you're new here that you'll stay and that you enjoy unboxing videos and say hey to me, okay? And y'all, I just really appreciate you and have a wonderful week. You know, yesterday happened and I never said it, but happy St. Patrick's Day a day late. My last name is Irish, but I have some Irish in me. I have a good bit of Irish in me also. Bye, y'all. Take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Whoops.